Wouldn't it be cool if you could link your 3D SketchUp terrain to a site plan inside of Layout that actually showed real topography lines? In other words, I want to be able to think and design in SketchUp in 3D and model my terrain and model my landscape and save my SketchUp model. Then head over into Layout and reload that SketchUp model and see my updated topography lines. In ConDoc 4.8, we've added dynamic topography. So basically, your SketchUp terrain is now linked to your site plan and your topography lines. Let me show you. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is head over to the 3D warehouse. And then on the home page of the 3D warehouse, you'll find our ConDoc Tools collection at the bottom. So I'll head over to our ConDoc Tools for SketchUp Pro collection, and you can see here we have our ConDoc 4 Modern Garage. This is a great demonstration model because it's really simple. It's a one-story structure, and it also has topography. I'm going to download our SketchUp 2020 version here, save it to my desktop temp folder, and then we'll just head right over to SketchUp and go to File, Open, and let's open from our desktop temp folder. We'll bring up that Modern Garage. All right, so now whenever I start any new project in SketchUp, I always make sure to open up my ConDoc system. And that's under Extensions, ConDoc System, ConDoc System. Now the ConDoc System, it's got this, it's a heads-up display, kind of keeps you on track and in line. And if I just click Design, then I get my model all set up, ready to rock with a lightweight style. It brings in all the layers and tags I need and all the styles I need. It really eliminates the need for a template. I just open up any file, click Design, and I am now running SketchUp on my standards. One other thing I'll point out is that this model has the model organization guides. Basically, if you use the model organization guides, they're available on our 3D warehouse collection. You'll never need to group and you'll never need to layer. You just put things in the right place. And we got some tutorials on those, so check those out. All right, so what we want to do here is make sure that we have the ConDoc Pro Architect drawing set loaded. To do that, up here on our ConDoc Tools toolbar, I click that folder icon, and then we'll go to our ConDoc Pro Architect 2019 and 20 and choose Open. That's it. So now when I click the plan generator, you can see that we have some different options. Well, this particular project only has one level. There's no basement, and so we really don't need to worry about our finished floor heights because it is built right at the origin of 000. But here's what's new. Site plan ground floor and site plan roof. So I'm going to run both of those. All right, now before I click Setup Project, I want you to just keep an eye on the scenes dialog and watch how many scenes are created by ConDoc. Here we go. All right, so while ConDoc is busy knocking out literally 100 scenes, well, I just want to take a moment and explain what's actually happening. So the way that this drawing is put together is that we drop a section plane, a SketchUp section plane every foot. And every 5 feet, we do a different viewport, different line weight, different style. So basically what we've done is dropped like 50 different section planes throughout the model, and then created scenes that are attached to that. And on most of those viewports, there's only one layer turned on, and that's our element Earth. So that way, we're sectioning through each foot interval of our topography. And if we take all of those scenes and stack them on each other, we're gonna get one complete drawing, but we'll get there. Let's get back into SketchUp. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our ConDoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.